Hi, I'm Rick Vespa of English Gardens. Houseplants are hot right now, and with the health benefits they provide, it's easy to see why. Plants clean the air and boost oxygen levels, which helps reduce stress, improve concentration, and boost your immune system. Here's a look at 9 easy-to-care-for houseplants to help you live healthier this year. The most important factor when selecting indoor plants is how much light the area receives. If there are no shadows, it's considered low light. Low light plants will do well even in rooms without windows. Chinese evergreens like more frequent water and warmer temperatures. ZZ plants thrive on neglect. They're perfect for a dark corner. And peace lilies add a little color. Water them before the leaves get droopy. Rooms with medium light have faint shadows. Some great plants include calathea, which likes warm temperatures. Bamboo palms like moist soil. Rotate the plant towards the light every week or so to keep it growing uniformly. And pothos are great in quarters. Water them when the soil is dry to the touch. Highlight plants like bright indirect light. They're best in rooms with deep shadows. Snake plants are very forgiving and do well even if they're watered about once a week. Aloe plants are popular. Let these plants dry out between waterings. And English ivy likes to be moist during the winter, miss the leaves, and water weekly. Houseplants are perfect for decorating your home and improving your well-being. For more information, visit the experts at English Gardens and check out the best selection of houseplants anywhere. I'm Rick Vespa of English Gardens, helping to make your life beautiful, indoors and out.